Everyone, welcome to the biology lab at Science Academy. Today we will be showing you a small experiment on transpiration. Do you know what transpiration is? So transpiration is the loss of water in the form of water vapor through stomata. Though there are other two types of transpirations, lenticular transpiration and cuticular transpiration, we don't take that into account because that is very small. So for the transpiration, we will do the regular tying a plastic bag over a branch of a tree. So this is the plastic bag that we will be using, and let us see that this plastic bag right now, it is absolutely dry. There is no moisture inside this. So at the beginning of the experiment, this is a dry polythene cover. Now let us go to the garden and we will select a branch and then we will cover that branch with this polythene bag. We have now come out into our garden and this is the plant of Ixora. We have selected this branch. So over this branch, we will now cover a polythene cover, the polythene bag over this, and now we will tie it at the top, just in order to be sure that no moisture from outside gets inside this polythene bag. And once again, if we look into the polythene bag, you will see that it is absolutely dry and there is no trace of any moisture content. And after 24 hours, we will observe this. So welcome once again. In continuation of yesterday's experiment on transpiration, I'd like to show you what is the resultant, what happened after we tied the bag yesterday. Exactly after 24 hours, we see that there are droplets of water all over. Now these droplets of water were not there yesterday. So from where could these droplets of water have been accumulated? The only way in which the water could have been released was through the stomata. So the water that is released through the stomata is a means of transpiration, that is stomatal transpiration. So maximum transpiration occurs through the stomata. So we have been successful in showing the transpiration through the stomata. Now that we have seen the transpiration experiment, would you like to know how we can extend this experiment further? Now, how is the rate of transpiration going to be affected if we take the different sizes of the leaf? Suppose this I've taken is a Syzygium cumini or the jamun tree leaf, and this is Vinca rosea or periwinkle. So would you like to know how the rate of transpiration changes in a large leaf and in a small leaf? For that, it would be great if the teachers and the students can join us on a hands-on learning experience at Science Academy, Narayanguda.